I see a lot of advice online about how fresh peppers should be stored, and I want to tell y'all the best way I found to store them to maximize their shelf life while still keeping them fresh without having to cut them up and freeze them. I can store them with the stems on and they don't go bad. And I found the best bet is to just put it in your refrigerator drawer. Um, I haven't tried it in a closed container, but in open containers, such as a Ziploc bag, or just even a simple open plastic container without the lid on, I've had peppers last up to a month, and they seem to have been able to go beyond a month. But I was eating them so fast that they only lasted a month. But I'm pretty sure they can go well over a month, maybe even 2 months inside of the refrigerator. Now, when I store my peppers on the counter, even especially the ahi pineapples, because I've been harvesting ahi pineapples for the last 2 or 3 years now. But when I store these on the counter, just in open air, nothing special, not sealing them or anything, they only last about 2 weeks to 3 weeks, and they start getting soft. The stem starts to brown. So this stem here starts to brown, and the pepper starts to die basically. Once it starts browning, the pepper goes real soft. Like right now it's firm, I can barely squeeze it. But once that stem starts turning brown, it becomes real soft, and the pepper's still edible, but you can see that it's dying. So I've noticed that when I keep it in that refrigerator or in this refrigerator jar, it does exactly what I want it to do. It lasts very long, and I don't have to do any special. I don't have to use any special means to keep these peppers fresh if I want to make some hot sauce into the wintertime or something. So I just did this big harvest, 352 grams of ahi pineapple hot peppers, but I also have just as many peppers left on the plant, if not more. So not a bad harvest. I want to make it last because I have a lot of it. I'm definitely not going to be able to eat this amount in 1 month. Definitely not, but that's what I have, and that's how I'm storing it. See y'all in the next one. And also, if you want ahi pineapple hot pepper seeds, you know where to get them from. I got them. Baker Creek is the source that I got my seeds from, but I have plenty of seed to spare, as you can see, so don't hesitate to contact me. See y'all in the next one. And I have it right next to my American persimmon seeds, which are cold stratifying for about 3 months. So I'm gonna pull these out in maybe February, and today is December 14th, so they still have a couple months left. I doubt these ahi pineapples will last that long.